Welcome to Saint Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see cube roots of unity. 1 power 1 over 3. X is equal to 1 power 1 over 3. Okay. Now, you multiply with 3 in the power. Why? We want 1 only here. Then only we can factorize and solve. So, here if you are multiplying power by 3 means here also you are multiplying power by 3. Here x power 1 is there. So it will be x cube. X cube is equal to 1. Okay. Then x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. X cube minus 1 is minus 1 cube. A cube minus B cube formula. This is not difference in square, this is a difference in cube. A cube minus B cube, what is the formula? A cube minus B cube, A minus B. Okay, here minus means A minus B. A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay, A cube minus B cube is A minus B times A squared plus AB plus B squared. Okay. So here x cube minus 1 cube. A is x, B is 1. So x minus 1, A minus B, A squared is x squared plus AB. AB is x times 1. So x plus B squared, 1 squared is 1. Okay. Now x minus 1, we are going to solve this one. X minus 1 is equal to 0 or x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. If x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. Okay, 1 roots we found out after the cubic. Then x squared plus x plus 1, how we are going to do? Using the quadratic formula, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a. Here b is 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus b squared. B squared means here b is 1, 1 squared minus 4. A is 1, c is 1, minus 4 times 1 times 1 by 2a. A is 1. Okay, here I rewrite x is equal to minus 1 square plus or minus 1 minus 4 by 2. Right? Then x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 minus 4 is minus root 3. Square root of minus 3. Square root of minus 3 means I root 3. Okay. Square root of minus 3 is nothing but square root of minus 1 times square root of 3. Square root of minus 1 is I root 3. So we found 3 roots. Root 1 is 1. Second root minus 1. You copy down here until now. Okay. Root 1 is this is one root. Second root is x is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Third root is minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. We found 3 roots. Okay. X is equal to 1. X is equal to minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay. Copy down till now. Now see that the roots are 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2, then minus 1 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. There is one similarity between these roots. What similarity is, if you square it, it is coming. Okay, so let us confirm it. Minus 1 plus I root 3 square by 2 square. Okay, I am squaring the second root. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square. A square is plus 1 plus I root 3 is minus 3. B squared is I squared root 3 squared plus 2ab. So minus 2I root 3. Or we can write minus I root 3. Okay, next step we will correct it. Divided by 4. 2 square is 4. 1 plus minus 3 is minus 2 minus I 2 root 3 by 4. I take 2 out, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Okay, that 2 and this 4, 2 will be cancelled. So minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. You see, when you are squaring this one, we get this one, third root. So we can name it, the roots are 1. 1, I write 1. This root is named as Greek alphabet, Latin alphabet. This root is named as omega. So what will be this root? Omega square, that's all. Got it? So cube roots are, unity is 1 omega omega square. Omega is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Omega squared minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Got it? Okay. Copy down. What is the square root of 1 plus or minus 1? Okay. Now we are going to see fourth roots of 1. X 1 power 1 by 4. Now we are multiplying 1 by 4 by 4. Here also we have to multiply power by 4. So what will happen? Here x power 4 will be 1. X power 4 minus 1 equal to 0. X power 4 minus 1, we can factorize x squared minus 1 square. 1 is 1 square. X power 4 is x squared square. So what will happen? X squared plus 1, x squared minus 1 equal to 0. So x plus 1, here we can further factorize. X plus 1, x minus 1, x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. Copy down until now. So what are the roots? Fourth roots? X is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1. Then x squared is equal to minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1. X is equal to plus or minus I. Okay, the four roots are 1, minus 1, I, minus I. Okay, note it down until now. Okay, there is one special property, square root of 1, what is the roots? 1 minus 1. Cube root of 1 is 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Cube root of fourth roots of 1 is 1 minus 1 I minus I. Got it? Okay. Now we are going to check individually. There is a properties, if you add sum of the roots, it will be 0. For here, 1 plus minus 1, what will become? 1 plus minus 1. This is one root, then another root. It is 0. Then here, add these three roots. 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2. Then plus minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. Take LCM. Here multiply by 2, here multiply by 2. What will happen? 2 minus 1 plus I root 3 plus minus 2, minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. This 2 minus 1 will be 0. I root 3 minus I root 3 will be 0. 0 by 2. So it will be 0. Okay. So it is proven. Our roots are cube roots are, one is 1 comma minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. It is proven because if you add the roots, it will become 0. Fourth roots of 1, 1 minus 1, 1 plus minus 1 is 0, I minus I will be 0. So all will be 0. Okay, so these are proven. Another property is, copy down. Copy down. Okay. Square root of 1. What are the roots? 1 minus 1. If you square it, it will become 1. 1 square is 1. Then minus 1 square is 1. So this is also proven. Okay. Cube root of 1. 1 minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 power, then minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. 1 cube. Cube root means you have to cube it. 1 cube is 1 only. Minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 cube will become 1. You can check it out. Minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 cube is 1. Okay, this one we are going to do now. 1 cube is 1. Minus 1 plus I root 3. Minus 1 plus I root 3 cube is by 2. Cube is, we already found the square is this one. So we need to find cube is minus 1 plus I root 3 times minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2 will give the what is called cube, we will get it. Because we already found this square is this one. So cube is this one, the one, and this will be square of this one. So it will become cube. Okay. Just to multiply it. I simplified the step. Otherwise you can do a plus b whole cube, a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. You can do it. But I simplified how to do it. Minus 1 times minus 1, it will be 1. Minus 1 times minus I root 3 plus I root 3. I root 3 minus 1 is minus I root 3. I squared is minus 1 plus 1. I squared is minus 1. Already minus is there. So plus 1. Root 3 is 3. Okay. Divided by 4. Cancel. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 over 4 is 1. So we proved this cube is proved. Okay, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 cube is 1. And another one, this one. This cube also should be 1. What is this? This is omega squared, right? Omega squared cube will be omega power 6. Omega power 6 you can write to omega cube. So 1 times 1 it will be 1. Got it? So we found cube roots 1, minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. It is proven all the roots, if you add it, it will become 0, and each root, if you cube it, it will become 1. Okay, copy down this one. Now, what are the fourth roots? 1 minus 1 I minus I. Fourth roots means you have to power 4 it. Power 4. 1 power 4 is 1. Minus 1 power 4 is 1. I power 4, 1. We know that I squared is minus I power 4 is I power 1 is I squared minus 1 I cube minus I power 4 minus I times I is 1. Minus 1 to the power of I power 4 is equal to 1. Okay. Now not only we found cube roots, we found fourth roots also, and we verified that sum of the roots is becoming 0, and if it is cube means you have to cube individual roots and it becomes sum of the roots is 0. Sum of the roots are 0. If you are cube roots means if you are cube the root, it will become 1. Okay. Note it down. Another one property notice down. Omega power 101. How to write it? Omega, because it is multiples of 3, omega 99, omega 2. So what will happen? Omega 99 is multiples of 3. It is nothing but omega power 3 times 33, omega squared. So omega 3 is 1, 1 power 33 is 1, 1 times omega squared. So this is omega squared. Omega power 101 is omega squared. Okay. Then another one also, I power 2021. How to write it out? I is in the cycle of I power 2020 times I power 1. I power 2020 can write I power 4 cross 505 times I. I power 4 is 1. 1 power 505 is 1 only. So it is I power 2021 is I. Copy it off. Thank you for watching.